Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of June the 1st to the 7th. So you have right up till Saturday the 7th to put in your order or to go to the store and do the deals. We're looking at this two different ways, doing it both curbside and doing it in store. So two different methods of shopping with two different deals. So the first way we're going to look at this is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in an order, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. First two deals are curbside, and this is the first one. You need your best friend loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend 25. This is of a one-time use, valid both in-store and online. So this one we're opting to do it as an online deal. Now, I know a lot of you really like the Walgreens brand toilet paper and paper towel, so it's buy one, get one 50% off. So we're going to throw in two of these paper towels. And then we're also going to throw in some toilet paper and paper towels, pardon me. So 2 and 6, which is 8. If you don't like the ratio I have here, maybe do like, I don't know, 4 of each, whatever you like. Hopefully you can put an order in that large at your location. But we're looking for a total of 8 units. Using the code WAG10, we're having an additional $3 off. So the sum of buy one, get one 50% off is $30 for the 8 units. Subtracting $3 with WAG10, we have a little bit of tax. So the overall total for the booster of spend 25 to earn back 5, we're still at $27, 30 minus 3, 27. Tax, you're going to pay $28.62 with your debit card and get back $6 in Walgreens cash. You're getting 5 plus a little bit extra for buying the Walgreens branded product. And just a reminder not to use Walgreens cash as you're using the spend booster of spend 25 to earn back 5. Deal number 2. If you don't like that first deal, here's another one with our best friend. So with this one, when you're utilizing this, you have to pay the balance down with a debit card, credit card. You can't use Walgreens cash or it's going to mess everything up. So for this basket, we're going to go with the name brand paper. We're going with Scott. Now you can get Scott toilet paper and paper towel, or you could just go with one product. So just to make it a little bit more simple, I put 7 in a cart for $35. And we have this store coupon, which is $1.25 off of 1. So the fact that there's 7 in a basket, it doesn't matter. I don't need even sets of 2. And then we have one manufacturer, which is the $1 off of 1. So make sure you have that loaded. Now, just to show you guys, $8.75 melting off plus an extra $1. That is in fact working. Overall total is $35. Subtracting $8.75. We are still at $26.25. So we're still at that $25 threshold. We have a dollar manufacturer. So with your debit card, pay the $26.83 and you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. So not a bad deal for name brand paper. The next two deals we are doing in store. Again, you're going to need your best friend, which is the 5 back when you spend 25. Alternatively, if you might have a paper booster also, it could be like twice the amount. So if you had like a 5 back when you spend 15, I think you can hear what I'm saying. That would be just a little bit better to get $10 back on this basket. Now, if your store is tagged, lots of stores are tagged of a spend 30 to earn back this $10 register reward. Look for the tags. Do this deal as a leap of faith as well, because if this doesn't print out, or if your store has nothing but problems where register rewards don't print out, I would pass on this deal. Because there's no way to reconcile this and to write Catalina and say, oh, well, la, 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 la. They're just going to say no. Your store might credit you the $10 of Walgreens cash if this doesn't print, if it's tagged. But most smaller stores aren't tagged, but larger markets are, which is really confusing. So there's going to be a tag saying promotion of spend 30 to earn back 10. And what is triggering it this week are these 2 counts of the bounty. And these are on a promotion of buy 4, get back a $4 register reward for this paper towel. And these are the larger rolls as well. So if you are all about like fancy paper towels, I mean, this is obviously a deal for you. A lot of us, it's a very good paper towel. But it's on this promotion of buy 4, get back a $4 register reward. And there is no digital coupon to go with, guys, so I do apologize about that. To round out the basket to that $30 threshold of spend 30 to earn that $10 register reward, let's grab 2 of these Dawns. So we're just going to do this deal really, it's a basic deal. So 4 of those paper products, the bounties are at $5.49 is $21.96, and then 2 Dawns at $5.99 is $11.98 for a total of $33.94. Make sure you have your digital booster loaded of spend 25 on household, get back 5. What you should be getting back is $14 in register rewards, that 10 plus a 4 for buying 4 of those products, and then $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using the spend 25 to earn back 5 on household. The final cost for this is $2.49 per unit, which is not bad. And if your store is tagged with the spend 30, earn back 10 on select P&G products in the household section, definitely you can change your order around, but this is just a guideline of what is triggering the printing of that 10 back. And again, as stated, if your store is nothing but problems with register rewards, I would pass on this. The final paper deal that we're looking at involves no boosters, and this one is done in store because it involves a register reward. It is $6.99 to grab 2 of the Brawny paper towels, Earn a $3 register reward when you purchase 2. So look for them tagged in your store in these little 2 counters, but it's actually a very large roll, like it's very thick, so it'll last you a good long time if you like the fancier paper towels, and I know a lot of you really like the fancier stuff. So we have currently a $1 digital that's attaching, along with a 2 off of 1 that's also attaching, which is really nice. Here's the matchup, guys. In store, you're grabbing 2 of those Brawnies at $6.99 a pop for $13.98. We have a $2 and a $1 digital, so that's $3 right there. So you're either going to pay the $10.98 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash, throw it into this deal, pay the 98 cents, and a $3 register reward should print for you, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 for these really big rolls. And if you just want to go to the store and walk down that aisle and look at these paper towels, they're very impressive. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but this is just a really good deal for some really nice paper towel. And I know a lot of you like both Cottonelle and Brawny, so this might be the week to stock up. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.